3 minutes and 30 seconds after 6 o'clock. This is Radio Sri Lanka. Donate Sri Lanka. You too can contribute to rebuilding Sri Lanka. This is a special announcement. This is a crucial moment when the assistance of people around the world is needed to help rebuild a nation devastated by disaster. The government of Sri Lanka has introduced a more convenient and streamlined process, free from delays and duty fees. For details, you can log on to www.customs.gov.lk. Expedite the clearance of material donations sent to affected communities. To enable smooth and duty-free clearance of goods you wish to donate, they must be addressed to the Secretary, Ministry of Defence, Disaster Management Centre,